Learn English to Hindi connectors fast, both, and two.
Maano.
Welcome to Connector Chaos. Hey, you are about to learn some seriously useful English to Hindi patterns. And yes, grammar is invited, but only if it promises to be funny. Today you will meet 8 powerful connectors, both, and, neither, nor, not only, but also, indeed, but, either, or, the, as, and as if. In Hindi, they are
दोनों, और, न केवल, बल्कि, भी, जरूर, लेकिन, या तो, या, जितना, उतना.
Again for equal comparison in many contexts, and
मानो.
That is a lot of tiny tools, but they do big work. Both means no need to choose. Let's begin with the happiest pattern of all. The pattern for people who look at 2 desserts and say, why not both? Both, and in Hindi is
दोनों, और.
She speaks both English and Hindi.
वो दोनों अंग्रेजी और हिंदी बोलती हैं.
Both tea and coffee are available.
दोनों चाय और कॉफी उपलब्ध हैं.
He likes both music and dance.
उसे दोनों संगीत और नृत्य पसंद हैं.
Memory trick. Raise one finger on each hand and bring them together for
दोनों, और.
funny cafe moment. A. Tea or juice? B.
दोनों, और.
The waiter slowly backs away. Neither means thanks, but no thanks. Now we move from cheerful greed to elegant refusal. Very useful when the world offers 2 bad ideas before breakfast. Neither, nor in Hindi is
न.
It is neither hot nor cold today.
आज न गर्मी है, न ठंड.
She likes neither tea nor coffee.
उसे न चाय पसंद है, न कॉफी.
He spoke neither slowly nor clearly.
वो न धीरे बोला, न साफ.
Gesture tip. Shake your head twice for
न.
funny cafe sequel. A. Tea or coffee? B.
न.
Waiter. So, air? Not only smart but also dangerous. This one adds style and emphasis. It does not just say 2 things. It arrives wearing sunglasses. Not only, but also in Hindi is
न केवल, बल्कि, भी.
She is not only smart but also kind.
वो न केवल होशियार है बल्कि दयालु भी है.
This book is not only useful but also interesting.
ये किताब न केवल उपयोगी है बल्कि दिलचस्प भी है.
He speaks not only Hindi but also English.
वो न केवल हिंदी बोलता है बल्कि अंग्रेजी भी बोलता है.
Tiny rhythm trick. First.
न केवल,
Then the big reveal.
बल्कि, भी.
Cat example. The cat is
न केवल,
sitting on the keyboard.
बल्कि,
Sending emails.
भी.
Yes, but also no. Time for a polite contrast pattern. This is perfect when you want to agree a little and disagree a little, like a diplomatic potato. Indeed, but here is expressed with
जरूर, लेकिन.
It is good indeed, but difficult.
यह अच्छा जरूर है, लेकिन कठिन है.
The idea is interesting indeed, but impractical.
विचार दिलचस्प जरूर है, लेकिन अव्यावहारिक है.
The film is good indeed, but long.
अच्छी जरूर है, लेकिन लंबी है.
Think of it as, yes first, twist second.
जरूर,
Nods.
लेकिन.
Raises one eyebrow. Funny truth. Your alarm clock is useful.
जरूर, लेकिन.
Deeply unpopular. Choose one, brave soul. Now we enter the kingdom of decisions. No, you cannot choose both here. This pattern has rules and a dramatic soundtrack. Either, or in Hindi is
या तो, या.
either tea or coffee is fine.
या तो चाय या कॉफी ठीक है.
You can choose either the bus or the train.
तुम या तो बस या ट्रेन चुन सकते हो.
Either we leave now or we stay here.
या तो हम अब निकले या हम यहाँ रहें.
Quick memory trick.
या.
Appears twice because there are 2 options. Robot joke. A. What is your name? B.
या तो, या.
Not helpful, robot. Not helpful. The more you learn. This pattern is a motivational poster, but useful. It links one change to another change. The in Hindi is
जितना उतना.
the more you practice, the better you become.
जितना तुम अभ्यास करते हो उतना बेहतर बनते हो.
The more I read, the more I understand.
जितना मैं पढ़ता हूँ उतना समझता हूँ.
The sooner we leave, the earlier we arrive.
जितना जल्दी हम निकले उतना जल्दी पहुँचे.
Hear the pair like a beat.
जितना उतना.
Comic life truth. The more snacks you buy, the faster snacks disappear. As much as tall as hungry as. Here the same Hindi pair helps with equality too. Language is efficient like that, and occasionally a little sneaky. As can also use.
जितना उतना.
With forms that may change like.
जितनी उतनी.
Or.
जितने उतने.
She is as tall as her brother.
वो अपने भाई जितनी लंबी है.
This book is as interesting as that one.
ये किताब उस किताब जितनी दिलचस्प है.
Work as carefully as possible.
जितना हो सके उतना ध्यान से काम करो.
This bag is as heavy as that bag.
ये बैग उस बैग जितना भारी है.
Grandma joke. Two lattice argue over who is sweeter. Grandma says they are.
जितना उतना.
Sweet. Peace is restored. As if the drama needed more drama. Last one. This word is perfect for imagination, exaggeration, and every person who acts like they own the universe. As if in Hindi is.
मानो.
He talks as if he knows everything.
वो मानो सब कुछ जानता हो ऐसे बात करता है.
It looks as if it will rain.
ऐसा लग रहा है मानो बारिश होगी.
She smiled as if nothing had happened.
वो ऐसे मुस्कुराई मानो कुछ हुआ ही न हो.
Cat example, because cats deserve grammar too. The cat walks.
मानो.
It owns the whole apartment building. Think of.
मानो.
As a dreamy little bridge between reality and appearance. Rapid fire mini quiz. Let's see what's stuck in your brain. No pressure. Your brain is doing great, even if it is currently wearing pajamas. How do you say both, and?
दोनों और.
How do you say neither, nor?
न.
How do you say not only, but also?
न केवल बल्कि भी.
How do you say indeed, but?
जरूर लेकिन.
How do you say either, or?
या तो या.
How do you say the?
जितना उतना.
How do you say as?
जितना उतना.
How do you say as if?
मानो.
Goodbye, grammar hero. Nicely done. You survived connectors, comparisons, choices, contrast, and at least one dramatic cat. Thank you for listening and practicing with me today. Repeat these patterns out loud.
दोनों और. न केवल बल्कि भी. जरूर लेकिन. या तो या. जितना उतना.
And.
मानो.
Keep practicing, make your own funny examples, and come back tomorrow ready to sound even more natural in Hindi.